Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're talking about some features of Google Colab and why it stands out from any other IDE. So I hope you like my information. So if you do like my information, keep sharing it and keep liking it, and also don't forget to subscribe. So without further ado, let's start the video. So one of the most important feature for me, I think, is cloud-based environment. Google Colab runs in the cloud, meaning you don't need to install any software. You just go to your browser and search for Google Colab, and you click on the website, and that's how. And done. You are into the website. You don't need it saves a lot of time. There are many other software that requires an installation on the computer on your local machine in order to get it run. So there's nothing like that. So means a lot. So moving into the number second feature is free access to GPUs and TPUs. It also provides free access to powerful hardware accelerator like GPUs and TPUs, which is eventually speeds up the computation and without needing for expensive hardwares. So this is also a good features from this side now. Now number third feature is integration with Google Drive. Create a file with Google Drive and you click on it. So the file is locally saved on the Google Drive. So all you need is an internet connection. So you need to go on Google Drive, and you will find that your file is saved that you have created on Google Colab. So you can access from here with the internet. So this is also good. And number 4 is interactive code execution. So suppose you're writing a code, and you have imported some libraries that you're working on. And when you write, suppose you're writing a program, and it influences the program, that it anticipates that what you're going to write, and it immediately shows you the relevant result. And you click on tab, the whole code gets written in just one click. So that is also the good thing. So now moving to the last feature, which is a collaborative feature. So like Google Docs, it allows multiple users to collaborate on the same notebook. You can share with others so that they can also work on the project you're working. And these were working, and they could do a programming, whether they are doing a data science project or whatever. So these were some most important features from Google Colab. I hope you like it. So if you do like it, just keep sharing it. And thank you so much for watching again. If you have any doubt, any problem, and any suggestion for me, you can just comment down. And thank you once again.